How's it going? So today I'm going to teach you how to use the castle link on the weapon speed controller, the Mamba speed controller. So you need to have castle link downloaded, as I said in the last video, and the instructions on how to download it are also in the last video where I taught you how to use the link on the speed controller. So, like the speed controller, first thing you gotta do is plug the speed controller into the USB wire. Make sure it's the right way so it's green. So you can see it's green on here and it's green here. And then here, just like the speed controller, you know, you have all the options on what to change. You have basic, and pretty much the main thing you want to do, and the only thing we have done so far, is you want to change max reverse power to 100. That way, the reverse and the forward power are the same. That way, it just makes it equal, and it makes it easy. And then you can go on and change anything else that you think you need to change. You know, it's all different depending on what scenario you're in and stuff like that. And if you don't know what any of these are, just hit the question mark, just like the speed controller. Yeah, and it tells you all about it. So yeah, and then once you're finished, I think I forgot to mention this in the speed controller video. You don't just unplug it when you're finished. You want to hit update, like so. And then once that's finished, it's updated, and then you want to hit OK, and then you can just unplug it, and you're done. And that's it. So I hope this was helpful, and have a good one.